I'm Holly from Centre Gravity. We are a suspension specialist here in the Midlands, and primarily we are known for chassis tuning and suspension setups for Porsche. We've been here since 2003, and between Pete and Chris, we've got over 30 years worth of experience. Basically, tailor suspension to our clients. We're customer-led, and we focus on the customer and handling and what the car feels like. So our job is to make your car handle, and our strapline is the point of perfect balance, and that is the whole point of what we do. Because of the work we do with suspension and Porsche in the majority, we do a lot of development work. Design 911 help us with that, in that they provide us parts that we need on the fly. We've also got a 996 C4S in our fleet and a 986 Boxster, which we've got some trick bits of suspension on. So we've got new Bilstein revalve dampers. We're running Damptronics on a 986 Boxster. We've got tractive semi-active suspension on our old plastic pig. We're always doing new things, and it's really exciting to be in the industry and seeing what we can come up with for our customers. So where we differ in terms of our service, we always start with the same process, and it's the same process for every car that comes into the workshop. We drive the cars with our customers by the side of us. We do a route that we've been driving for over 20 years now, so we know exactly what a car feels like and what it should feel like, whether it feels like a normal car, and then actually if it ticks the box of working with as Porsche, it's got to work like a normal car before it can drive like a Porsche should. Evaluation drive first, inspection to make sure that everything is as it should be, so bushes, ball joints, tyres, everything. Then we do all the baseline measurements, and we measure up ride heights, the geometry, and then see if that corresponds with A, what the customer says they think it feels like, and also what it looks like on the machines. So we've got now 3 rigs, both Proline and Bi-Spark, and this allows us to recreate every time perfect within the mill, which is just like what Porsche suggests that we need to do. It is anal, retentive. It is honestly perfection, and it's not always the most straightforward to get, but we get there in the end. It's what's coming in today. We never know. It's always different. Every day is different, and that's what makes it exciting. It keeps us on our toes, and it also keeps us ringing Design 911 saying, "Can we have this please?" Because it's always different. We started off in 2003. We are a family business, so it's me, my husband Pete, and my dad Chris, and my mum Jane. It was mobile to start with, so a lot of people don't realise that we've not been in this workshop forever. So we started as a mobile trailer with our Bi-Spark alignment rig, and we used to go out all over the country. We used to do alignment on people's drives. And people travel, and we're always really humbled by the reputation that we've got, because it's second to none. People travel on average over 100 miles to reach us, and 80% are Porsche. So, and once we get a good relationship with a client, they tend to stick with us. So we're very lucky that we've had some clients that have been with us literally since 2003. They're a bit like family, which hopefully comes across because we are all honest and open. You can ring and ask for advice. We'll always give it, and we'll always go over and above for everybody that we know. That's what we like to do. We like to help people out and hopefully teach people a little bit about why it's important what we do, because knowledge is power. If we can give you ideas on, how to improve your driving, and, how you can make things feel better, teach you how to change your anti-roll bars, all of those other different things, tyre pressures, things that you haven't really thought about, and things that you can do at home, you become an enthusiast, and that's what we are. We're enthusiasts. We work with enthusiasts, and hopefully people can get enthusiastic about what we do and enjoying their cars. So we have been using Design 911 for over 10 years. We've been dealing with Tony for more than 10 years, I think, probably. It's a one-stop shop, and that's what it is. Everything we want, we can get, and if we can't get it, then you Design 11 are pretty good at getting it for us. So the service is always second to none. Delivery is reliable, and that really is the best thing. You know, it's convenient, everyone's helpful. If we've got a problem, it can be sorted. And yeah, our stock is quality brands that we trust, that other people trust, that we know we can stand by, because that's what we stand for. It's quality, and you know, we know what we're getting, and that's why we just use Design 11, because we know what we're getting, and that's really useful and helpful for us as a little business, to just keep us going and be reliable and consistent with our pricing and all of those other things for customers, because customers want the best that they can get, and that's why we use you.